Big page government ads before the elections may soon be a thing of the past. The Supreme Court in its verdict has said that pictures of certain dignitaries like the President, Prime Minister and Chief Justice of India can only be carried on government ads. The court also said what is important is people get information about the policies of the government and the use of government ads should not result in political benefits of any kind.
सरकारी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स जो सरकारी पैसे से इशू किए जाते हैं उसमें कोई पॉलिटिकल पर्सनालिटी को प्रोजेक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता। ये पर्सनालिटी कल्ट को बढ़ावा देता है। उन्होंने बोला है कि सिर्फ प्रधानमंत्री, प्रेसिडेंट और चीफ जस्टिस 3 आदमियों की बस फोटो लगाई जा सकती है और वो भी अगर वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट या चीफ जस्टिस खुद उसको ऑथराइज करें।
The Supreme Court has accepted most of the recommendations of Professor Madhav Menon-led committee which was formed as per the directive of the Apex Court and gave its verdict based on these recommendations. The court said, government advertisement should not have picture of any chief minister, minister or any other leader. Government ads can only have information. Photos of only 3 constitutional authorities, President, Prime Minister and Chief Justice of India can be used in such ads. But for that too, the personal approval of these 3 authorities need to be taken prior to publication. Photos of the father of the nation and other great persons can only be used in ads issued in their memory. The aim of the government advertisements is not to give undue political advantage to any leader or party. Government ads should not have name of the ruling party. Government ads should not be used directly for attacking the opposition. Symbol, logo and flag of the ruling party should not be used in government ads. Advertisements should be issued without any bias in a completely impartial and objective manner. Government should exercise all necessary precautions while issuing ads. Advertisements should reach the maximum number of people in the most cost-effective manner. Through government ads, the ruling party should not use any media house to do one-sided reporting in its favor. The government has said that all ministries will follow the guidelines issued by the Apex Court in this matter.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले को संदर्भित करते हुए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो भी निर्देश प्राप्त होंगे उसके आधार पर ही विभिन्न मंत्रालयों में किसके चित्र छपेंगे, क्या लिखा जाएगा, ये सारी चीजें होंगी.
The court has directed the government that a committee consisting of 3 impartial members be set up which will see to it that these guidelines are adhered to. The court clarified that prior to the elections, government ads with a social focus can be issued. Vikas Sarthi's report, DD News, Delhi.